Hi everyone, it's Rhonda 𝐸𝐴𝐝 here, coming to you today from Buffalo, New York. For those of you who don't know me, if you are watching this on my YouTube channel, I do a lot of videos about how to make money from home, easy passive income. So I show you how to do different things that are simple and easy that everybody can do, that are either free or low cost. That's one of my big issues. Okay, so feel free to subscribe, like this video. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 billion sales. You can see I'm actually in my back office here because I wanted to show you some amazing testimonies and show people that this is truly a worldwide opportunity. So this is my back office. You can see my name, Rhonda 𝐸𝐴𝐝, right there. And 5 billion sales is the name of this opportunity. It is free to join and it is worldwide. There's 3 different ways you can get paid. I am not going to read all the testimonies. I am just going to go through and show you where these testimonies are coming from, okay, from these affiliates, so that you can see that people all over the world are making money and withdrawing money, okay? This person right here is from Ghana. Claire's is from Ghana. He's showing people that he's made money and he has taken the money out. He has gotten paid, okay? Here is another person from Ghana showing that they got paid. All right, so this is, people are getting paid. Because I know there are definitely, anytime a new opportunity comes out, people will say, oh, nobody's making money. Did anybody really get paid? So some people are showing that they actually did receive money already. Okay, here is a person from Germany. Okay, I can't read that, so I don't really know what he's saying because it's in German. So he's just showing his little bit of his back office here. Here is another one. Everybody can be a millionaire with this opportunity. And seriously, you guys, this opportunity is amazing. From Armenia here. Scrolling down, here is Nigeria. I know a lot of people from Nigeria are always contacting me. So Nigerians, this is a great way for you to make some easy money. Once again, it's $0 to sign up. I know you guys have a lot of problems in Nigeria. Not every opportunity is there. So here's a great one for you. India, here is from India. Here is another one. Spectacular from Venezuela. Okay, United States of America. That's where I'm in the United States of America, right? Paid and more soon, already qualified. Bank confirmed it. So she is ready to go. Success with Marla there. Here is another one from Côte d'Ivoire. Truthfully, I'm not even quite sure where that is, but in French here. So this person has already got money. They're showing their withdrawal there. I'm going to scroll, go to the next page. Just want to show you, here's Australia. Okay, going down, another one from India, United States of America, Morocco, Nigeria, United States, Ghana, Germany again, Greece, there's a new one. This is global. This is a global opportunity, guys. India. So that's what I just want to show. I want to show all these countries here because people have been asking me. And here's payment of guaranteed sales commissions from Nigeria. Again, here, United Kingdom, India, United Kingdom, Turkey. Okay, you guys, this is worldwide. So that's really all I wanted to show you today. I just wanted to make sure that you guys saw that this is a worldwide opportunity. It is good all over the world. So I will have the link below if you want to look at it more. Once again, it is free to join. You do not have to buy anything. That if you want to buy the guaranteed sales, you can. That is one part, but you can start making money without purchasing anything. Sign up today and start earning money. There's 3 ways to earn, okay, and it's worldwide. If you have any questions after you get that link, I will also put the link to my Facebook page. You know, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always happy to talk to people. So please, once again, like, share this video, comment on this video. I'll try to get to comments below this, depending where you see this posted. And I appreciate you watching. Hope everybody has a fabulous day.